Hello, and thank you for joining us on this WordPress tutorial by Synergy Development. During this tutorial, we will go over WordPress as a content management system that is used to update your website. This system allows a user to go in through a username and a password and add pages, posts, update blogs, images, and various other content on their website. It is a very powerful tool in the respect that it allows a user that does not have any technical background the ability to go in and do things on their own. This can save you thousands of dollars in development fees over time. Please continue to the tutorial to find out more. Thank you for joining us for this WordPress tutorial by Synergy Development. During this tutorial, we will cover the basics on WordPress and using it to manage your website. You can create pages, menus, posts, blogs, update images, videos, and a multitude of other aspects that are beyond the scope of this tutorial. Let's start with the screen that we're on right now. You can see that we have an admin screen for our synergydevelopment.com website. We have a username and a password field. Once we fill those in, we will log in and we will be taken to the dashboard, and the dashboard is like the central navigation port for your website. It's WordPress's interface for the user. So we can see that under the dashboard on the left hand side we have several options: posts, media, links, pages, comments, appearance, plugins, users, tools, settings, contact, and Synergy Development custom function. Let's go to synergydevelopment.com's homepage. This homepage consists of a header, a slideshow, a content area, and a footer. Let's dissect those a little bit more. The header has the logo and our name and a tagline. Also has a Google Translate in the top right corner, as well as our main menu for our website. Now, underneath we have a rotating slideshow for 4 different slides, as we can see, illustrating different areas and different expertise of Synergy Development. Following that, in the content section, we have 4 sidebars that are comprised of widgets, which we will get to later in this tutorial. Going back to WordPress dashboard, I'd like to first show you how the menu was set up by adding pages. So if you look in the left-hand column under Dashboard Pages, we want to go to All Pages. Here is a list of all the pages on the website. You can see that all the pages are not listed in this menu. In order to make a new page, we would click on Add New. We would make a title, New Page, put some content in there. This is content. We would publish this page, and then we could view the page on our website. How easy was that? We just made a whole nother web page and published it to the website. But it didn't show up on the menu. The menus are constructed on the dashboard under Appearance, Menus, and we have the footer menu, and we also have the primary menu. As you can see, the primary menu has Home, About, Design, Development, everything you see on the home page. Let's add this new page to the footer. Home, Charities, Blog, and Contact Us. As you can see, home, charities, blog, contact us. Real simple. I'm going to go over, new page, add to the menu, and then voila, I have a new page. Let's make sure that showed up. Refresh. And there is our new page. Moving on to posts. Posts are like Facebook posts where you can post a topic or a news feed or something interesting to you, something that you may want to invoke a response or a comment back from a reader. So if we open one of our posts, SEO, how does it work? We can see that we have a post here that is talking about SEO, and then you can also leave a comment on it. Now on the side here, again, like the home page, we have another sidebar, and we're getting to the sidebars and the widgets in a second. So when you make a post, it's much like a regular page. Going back to the WordPress dashboard, here are the pages, here are posts. So when I create a new post, I go up to the top, add new, make a title, please talk to me, make some content about this topic. And over here I can put it in one of these categories: announcements, promotions, tips, and tricks. I'm just going to leave it uncategorized for now. And I will publish it and go back to the home page. Please talk to me. There's one of my newest posts, and here you go. How easy was that to set up a post? Just as easy to set up a page. Again, just like with the page, I'm going to unpublish this and make it a draft. I'm going to go back to the home page, and it disappeared. The last thing on this tutorial is we wanted to talk about these sidebars and the widgets and how the content gets in there. So on this home page we have a top and a middle. So let's take a look at, in WordPress you have appearance and you have widgets. The right hand side has your different sidebars of your site. We were talking about the home top and the home middle. Home top, home middle. You can see that the top has text and the bottom has 3 areas. This is the text, and the bottom is these 3 areas. In order to put something into one of these areas, such as the top, we will go to the home top sidebar, and we can add something. Let's say we wanted to add our social media widget. We have a bunch of different options that we can put in our Facebook, our delicious URL, our Twitter, Google, MySpace. Let's say we have a Facebook. We'll just put a hashtag for now. And we also have a mail to link. And let's publish that. And refresh. And there, follow us. We have our Facebook and we have our mail to link, and we easily added that by dragging and dropping it into the sidebar area. And just the same, I can take the social media widget and drag it back out, come over and refresh, and it is now removed from the website. I want to thank you for joining this tutorial. I hope that it has illustrated the powers of WordPress and how it can really help you manage your site with great ease. This has been a WordPress tutorial by Synergy Development. Thank you for your time, and if you have any further questions about what you saw or would like to get your WordPress-driven website up and going today, please contact us via the Contact Us page located in the main navigation of our website. We appreciate your time, and thank you.